What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to compression test the 240 to see if it's healthy or not, and if it is, big plans boys. I don't know if you guys can hear me now, but to start it off, you have to pull the fuel pump to the 240. It's the valve fuse right in the middle. And all you gotta do, pull it straight out and march it back. Put it somewhere we can find it. You know, we could start. We got the kit over here, and I got some new plugs. Since I'm already there, I'm gonna be changing those out. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look how burnt that is. And then you just screw the line in. Screw it hand tight. And then rev it. Then you crank the car for a couple seconds. So make sure there's nothing in there. You get a proper reading. Ooh, we got good compression, boys. Cylinder 1 is at 150. A little under 150, but we could call it 150. Now to the next. And since we got new plugs, we're going to be replacing that too. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but they're beautiful. After we put that in, you just throw the wire back on and carry on to the next. I feel like they're all going to be burnt. Hand tight. Put the reader on, make sure there's nothing in there. $150 again, I think we're looking good. A little bit of anti-seize. Oh, that's not a little, but we'll make it work. Still looking pretty good, a little under 150, but we could call it 150. Make sure there's nothing in there. Let's hope for the best. Beautiful, guys. This thing, amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. This baby healthy. There's all kinds of possibilities we could do now. Now that they're all in, you want to double check that they're all tight. So I checked everything. You gotta throw this fuse back in. Let's hope I didn't break anything. And now we just start the car. that clearance. value. But yeah, car runs, looking good, running good. Next thing to do is just an oil change. You should be fine. Should be all set. Like I always say, she should be all set. But for sure this time. I have to put my windshield wiper a little higher than the other one, or else it'll just come back down and it won't work. Weird like that. Alright guys, short little video. Let me know if you guys like it or not. Let me know if you guys want to see more of it. But drop some comments, drop some likes, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. But we got big plans now that we know she's healthy. We get to abuse her a lot more. And probably take her out to a drift event. They're probably going to start up soon. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video on this series. Peace.